Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Coinbase and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Coinbase. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.